Hello everyone, welcome to today's vlog. I hope you guys are doing great. Yeah, I'm at Lakeshore with my kids, but it's so windy. It's super nice, but it's very cold, freezing cold. Ibrahim is here. Hi Ibrahim. Hi Ibrahim. Yeah, so it's very cold. I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful is this place. Wait, Baba, you can see me. Yeah. I started this something really soft. Perfect, right? Yeah, it's freezing cold. Yes, Ibrahim, Ashma, come. Come. Come
I
here.
don't like eating.
No, Baba, it's super cold. Eat in the car. We just got Popeyes for kids. For everybody actually.
I just want to eat it.
Eat like in the car. There's a train. Yes.
I just want to eat it.
Okay, Baba Jan. What are you doing? Today I have my own appointment. It's snowing. Yeah, I'll show you guys around. I don't take my cup to clean. But I have to go for my appointment. It's an OB appointment. I can't miss it. I have to clean the car and everything. Water bottle is frozen. Yeah, it's not that cold. Dry snow. This is the life in Canada, which I love. I don't hate. I love snow. I enjoy snow a lot. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank God I made it on time. Yeah, safely. I'm just gonna go for my appointment and then I'll see what else I can share with you guys. Yeah. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna get some Tim Hortons for myself, Rowena, and the kids, and then I'll just go home. I'm done for my appointment. Everything was great.
My turn.
Yeah, I just finished my appointment today and I came home. So everything was good with my appointment. I need to get some blood work done. Also, Tdap vaccine. I have been getting a lot of requests that I need to speak in Farsi as well. So yeah, I do like to speak in Farsi. I just like to let you guys know that I have my followers who likes me to speak Farsi for them. So in this video, I'm just gonna show you guys. Actually called bolani. So the filling is potato with like vegetables, potato, green onions, green chilies. You can add your choice of seasoning. I like chili flakes, salt, butter, and a little bit of black pepper with it. Also, you have a choice to add garlic if you like to. So, yeah, that's what I add. Here. So I'm just gonna place it in this wooden tray. One of my favorites. This is on medium heat. I wanted to fry it slowly. I'm not in a rush. Marina Jonasta, my sweetheart baby girl. Look up, here. She wants to touch everything. bolani almost خلاص رضيت يا خليش هسه يا مدينة جان مرافونك كمان شمال الشامبتا شنو كمان This bolani is ready to serve. Yine شده bolani ready است که نوش جان شود. And sauce sham usually chutney جور میکنم. I make chutney for the sauce. بعد حالا دخونه یوگرت بودک. So یوگرت هم رای cilantro mix کردم بر sauce. Yeah, حالا شمال شام میکنم. Just gonna take one and show you. Ramadan almost about to come. We're gonna eat together, but I'll just show you guys. It's hot. With the yogurt mixed and then جان کردن از بسیار آسان است. جان کنیم نوش جان کنیم جان کنیم جایتان خالی است. Yeah, so I hope the video خوشتان آمده باشه. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye everyone.